Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I bring you guys our new arrival, this 17-ounce gradient color glass mug. What better choose than have a couple of refreshing beer during the summertime? When you after walk back to home, use our ingredient color glass mug to have a drink, can release your stress of the day. And we created 6 different colors can meet your different needs, like can bring you a special party time. Also, the frosted surface brings a better touch for you and also make the mug more comfortable to hold. And it also can do sublimation on it to make a personalized gift for your friends or family. Okay, now I will show you how to print it with our ink machine. Because it's cone shaped, so we need to change attachment to 17-ounce cone-shaped mug heater. Next, just same method like before. Set temperature to 180 centigrades, set time to 15 seconds. Then, after machine preheat, put the mug in. Cause this mug has no handle, please use gloves and avoiding scalding. When you take out the mug, you can use your hands hold it a little bit, prevents it slippery out. Now let's tear off the paper, see how it works. Well, this frosted surface makes it look more texture quality. Okay, that's all for today's introduction. If you want to know more detailed information about this ingredient color glass mug, you can go our official website to have a see. And please don't forget to subscribe us. We will keep uploading for the introduction about our products. And next video, I'm gonna introduce for the neoprene laptop sleeves. Please look forward and see you next time.
Please don't say we're done when I'm not finished. I could give so much more. Make you feel like never before.